Hello everyone, welcome to Unplugged 404. In today's video, I will show you how to create your own avatar from Facebook application. So what we are going to do is we will open Facebook app first, and after that we need to click this hamburger option, which is with three little lines at the top right corner. And after clicking this option, if you are using this avatar feature for the first time, you will not see this avatar option in front of you, but rather you will see the option by clicking on see more section right here, and you will see this is the same option in one of these panels here. Now, moving back to the avatar section by clicking here. So I have already created this avatar for my profile, but as a new user or for the first time users, you will get a screen like this. Now, at the beginning, obviously, you need to select your skin tone, whichever which skin tone you possess, and after that, you need to select your hairstyle. Which hairstyle do you have, or which hairstyle would you prefer? So you have a variety of choices from short to medium and long. Moving on, you can choose the color of your hairstyle as well. After that, you have a face shape option. Now you are having various options, wide variety of options are here to choose from. So you are having different options of face shapes as well. Now next option is complexion. So you can add or play with your complexion in this area. After that, if you want to add any lines or wrinkles, yes, you can do that from this option. Moving further, you have an eye shape option. Now here you can select whichever eye shape you want or whichever suits you the best. You can color that as well. And also, if you want, you can add a makeup also. Now moving on, you have an eyebrow section also. So you can select any eyebrow you want. There are different styles for eyebrows as well. You can color that also, from black to brown, blonde, or maybe gray, green, red, and so on. Now you can also, for Indian users, you also have an option, an ethnic option as well, so you can choose from these options if you feel like. Now next option is an eyewear option. So if you wear glasses or you do wear you do have spectacles, or you prefer lenses, then yes, this option is for you. And also you will get the color option as well if you want to choose any color from these eyewears. Now after that, you can select nose option, so you have different variety of noses to choose from. If you want to select a big nose or maybe a pointy nose, it all depends on your choice. Now moving further, you can obviously go for a nose ring as well if you want. And you have a lip section as well, or a mouth section, where you can choose your lips to be big, small, thin, or whatever you feel like. You can color your lips as well. So you have different options on that as well. Now moving on, for facial here, you are having different options. If we talk about different beard options, there are a variety of styles also. For instance, if you are looking for a mustache, you have good options there as well. So moving on further, the next option is obviously the color part. You can obviously choose your mustache color as well, whichever color you want. And next option is body shape. If you are an average kind of a person, or maybe a thin guy, or maybe a fat guy. So you can choose these options from here. And next option is pretty interesting because what Facebook allows you to choose from various options of outfits. So they do have, I would say, an ethnic option for Indians, and also some Western options as well, or some sporty fashions. They do have that also. If I go down further, you'll see again many Indian ethnic options, variety of options are there, and many different styles are there you can choose from. So it all depends on you, if you how you want to look and how you want to uh, dress yourself. So it basically depends on your opinion and your choice. Next is headwear. So again, this is pretty interesting for Indian guys because you do have turban options here, and for Muslims as well because they do have again variety of options here as well. So yes, you will get many options as a member of Facebook, which is pretty interesting. And you can color your headwear as well, like this. Now I'm going to keep it normal. Yeah. Now the last option is for earrings, and if you want to get some earrings or you want to try some, you can obviously choose for some earrings if you want, and you can give it a shot. So that's all if we talk about avatars on Facebook. And I would say it's pretty interesting to add this new feature, and you can use this feature as stickers on WhatsApp and on Facebook as well. So on Facebook, you can even add these stickers in your comment section as well. So that is pretty interesting, and you can add this stickers as a profile picture for 7 days on a temporary basis. That's what Facebook has come up for now. So let's see what all plans do they have for us. And till then, stay safe and take care of yourself. See you next time. Thank you.